actually. Matlab, after a certain point, when you are closer to the exam, when you are of that age, you can Google the syllabus and see what kind of questions are being asked. Accordingly, you have to prepare. But you still have a very long time to go. So, what's your name? What's your good name?
My name is Pragya Kishore Bhagat.
Pragya Kishore. Okay.
And my age is also because
But right now you'll have to enjoy your life, Mr. K.
Good afternoon, sirs and ma'ams. Nice to meet you. My name is Trisna Kashyap. I read in class 6. So, sir, Indian Public Service Commission, UPSC is the third toughest exam in the world. And in India, approximately 10 lakh students apply for this exam, but 0.2 people passed. So, my question is that after passing the UPSC written exam, you have to give an interview. And the questions asked by interviewers are very tough and complicated. So, sir, how you can do this? And if normal people want to solve the questions, they have to need lots of time. But you solve the questions within 5 minutes. And I also see in YouTube also that the questions like a student was getting nervousness in interview, and an interviewer asked him, "What is this?" He said that this is a demonstrative pronoun. So, how you put this and how is it possible, sir? Thank you.
Before answering the question, I would like just to inform these small kids now think about IAS officers. So definitely, it's really a pleasant occasion for us that you are here, and we expect a lot from you. And over to you now. After that, we'll go to the farmers. ইয়াৰ পিছতে আমি ফাৰ্মাৰ আমাৰ কৃষিজীৱীসকলক কৃষি অৱলম্বন কৰা সকলৰ প্ৰতি যাম স্যাৰ ইউ মে আনসাৰ
So for the personality test or the interview, the last part that you were asking for, so everybody gets nervous sometime or the other. It is not that a person gets nervous or not, everybody gets nervous. But the point is how you can control that, how you can put that to your advantage, how you can better articulate yourself. And after acquiring quite the knowledge which you get from qualifying prelims and mains, you are actually very comfortable towards the questions. It is just how you present yourself. So if you can present yourself well enough, if you can put your points well articulated, I think you can easily sail through the personality test.
By the way, this question was tougher than the questions in my interview. And may I know what are the top 2 toughest examinations? You said UPSC was the 3rd toughest.
First is Gaokao in China, and second is IIT, and third is UPSC. And sir, we are very lucky persons who met IAS officers who passed UPSC exams. Yes.
So the questions in UPSC interview are mostly based on the experiences that we have in our school, college. So right now in your school, you have to enjoy your school life and you have to study your class. Right now you're in class 6. So enjoy as well as study, and experiences are the parameters onto which the questions are being asked in interview. So. यहाँ पे फार्मर्स भी हैं, आप लोगों को कुछ पूछना है प्लीज सर पूछिए।
ইলেক্ট্ৰিচিটিটো এইকাৰণে নাপায় মানে তাৰ মাজলৈ মানে পোষ্ট নিবলৈ অসুবিধা, কোৱাত জ্বলা হৈ আছে বা মাটিৰ পৰিমাণ কম আছে বেছি আছে। এই ইলেক্ট্ৰিচিটিটো নোপোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ ফাৰ্মাৰবিলাকে মানে কি কৃষি কৰ্ম কৰিবলৈ মানে টান পাই আছে। এইকাৰণে টান পাইছে যে বহুত দূৰৰ পৰা কাৰেণ্টটো ল'ব লাগে, তাত কাৰেণ্টটো ল'ব লাগিলে